Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to look for places on booking.com. I wonder why you want to know how to look for places on booking.com. Maybe because you're going on a trip, so you're looking for different places there you could stay, or maybe you're just going to a city where you're looking to visit different places and you want to save them. Or there could be any other reasons. Whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you can look for places to stay or to visit on booking.com. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the booking.com app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once app gets installed, make sure you have created your account on it and you're also logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the booking.com app to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see this interface. This is how the app looks. At the top, you will notice the icon of the app and you will see different options. There are options almost all over the screen. Right now, we're in the search section, therefore, you could see this interface. Along with that search option, we have three more options. This one is a saved option. Here, if you have saved any places, they will appear here. In bookings, if you have done any bookings for trips and visit, it will appear here. And this one is an account option where you could see different options related to your account and personal stuff. So if you want to visit different places, you have to go to search, and there you will see this option which has three options at the top. So let's say you want to go to New York, therefore you have to simply click on it and search for New York, London, or whichever place you're looking for. Right now I'm going for the Los Angeles, but you can choose any option of your choice. After that, you have to choose on which date you have planned to visit. Like from which date to which date, you can use your calendar and then the dates will be set here. But if you haven't made any plans for the dates and you're just thinking to look for places, then you can choose like you need it for 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, and 7 days like this. And other than that, we have other options. If you tap onto that, you can choose like when you want to visit on weekend, in weekdays, or maybe you can choose which month you're going for, and there are other options you can choose. So it's all up to you. Whatever option you want to go with, that it's all up to you. And after that, you just have to simply click onto this blue option. Then you have to choose rooms and people, like how many people will stay there. In rooms you can add or maybe you can reduce room. You can add the number of adults and you can also add the number of children's. And after that, just simply click on search, and it will search and take out all the results related to what you have just given the command to it. So now there you can see we have got a lot of results. You just have to simply tap onto any one of these, and after that just simply click on photos, go through some of the images, and then you will get to know if that is good place or not. Then you will see other options like location, price, and reviews, and once you go through all these, you will make your mind if you want to go there or not. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can look for places on booking.com. And if you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.